first reporter of this topic. Food labeling and certifications, organic, halal, and kosher. So food labels play a crucial role in informing consumers about the contents, origin, and production methods of food products. Organic certifications. Organic certification signifies that food products are produced according to organic farming practices, which emphasize ecological balance, biodiversity conservation, and the avoidance of synthetic fertilizers, pesticides, and genetically modified organisms or GMOs. So there are examples of Costa Organic label. This label indicates that the food producer complies with organic farming practices such as avoiding synthetic fertilizers and pesticides. The OSTA, or National Organic Program, or NOP, sets the global standard for organic products in the United States. Organic certification system allows consumers to identify and support those who meet organic standards. Organic plant reproductive material databases. These databases ensure that all plants and crops marketed as organic are grown from plant reproductive material that also meets organic standards. The Organic Certification Center of the Philippines. Bio-Platform. This platform allows certification bodies to publish data of their certified operator. So that's all. Right, Ami. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Mary Joan Dinas, and this is the continuation of Tahoe Reports. Our topic is all about non-GMO certification. When we say GMO stands for what? Anyone from the class? May I call Miss Anlas? What is GMO?
So GMO means genetically modified organism.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Non-GMO certification guarantees that a product does not contain GMOs, addressing consumer concerns about genetic engineering in food production. There are 4 examples of GMO. The first one is NSF Health Sciences, stands for National Sanitation Foundations, and the second one is EcoCert and CCOF, or stands for California Certified Organic Farmers, and the third one is IFO Organics International, and the last one is USD Organic Level. When we see NSF Health Sciences is independent certified, assesses products for non-GMO compliance. It means organization that develops public health and safety standards, especially related for water, food, and consumer products. And the next one is EcoCert and GMOs. Non-GMO products can also be labeled as not engineered, not genetically engineered, or not genetically modified through the use of modern biotechnology. The next one is halal certification. Indicates that food products comply with Islamic dietary laws, which includes the use of the first visible ingredients and adherence to specific practices for meat. And the last one is kosher certification. Notates that food products meet Jewish dietary regulations, which cover permissible ingredients, that exclusion of certain foods, combination of the kosher slaughtering of animals. And there are 4 examples of kosher. The first one is kosher for Passover. The second is Chicago Rabbinical Council, and the third one is KUFK, and the last one is Orthodox Union. And that's all. Thank you.
Sige na.
Hey, good morning, everyone. My topic is all about 5.3. It's all about food standards, ISO, SECCP, and DFS. If we say food standard, ISO, HEECP, and GFS, the food industry operates under a complex web of standards and regulations to ensure the safety and quality of products. ISO, SECP, and GFS are 3 component acronyms representing key framework for food safety management. If we say ISO, it means International Standard Organization. ISO stands for International Organization for Standardization, a global body that develops a published voluntary international standard while not directly related to food safety. ISO standards provide a framework for quality management system, which can apply to the food industry. If we say HECCP, Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points, is a preventive approach to food safety that focuses on identifying and controlling hazards and critical points in food production process. It was originally developed in 1960 for the United States Space Program to ensure the safety of food astronauts. GFS, Global Food Initiative. GFS, Global Food Safety Initiative, stand for Global Food Safety Initiative, are collaborative effort between food retailers, food manufacturers, and other stakeholders to develop and implement food safety standards. The GFS initiative aims to harmonize food safety standards globally, making it easier for food business to trade internationally. ISO, SECCP, and GFS are all essential components of food safety management. ISO provides a framework for quality management system, while SCC focuses on identifying and controlling hazards and critical points in food production process. If we say GFS, promote the harmonization of food safety standards globally, facilitating international trade. That's all.